Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to a brand new YouTube video. And today we woke up a little bit late than usual, so we're kind of falling behind some stuff with my initial schedule that I had planned out just last night. So as you can see, I wanted to go work out right now, or at least get a small walk, but unfortunately we can't do that. We gotta eat breakfast and start doing stuff. So just stay tuned. All right, so I just came back from helping a friend out, and I think I need to share this. So I don't know if some of you know the difference between like different engineering disciplines. So my friend had a question about like possibly getting into computer science, software engineering, and here's a general point of view. Computer science, you deal with only software, while in computer engineering, you deal with software and hardware. I do want to comment that computer engineering technically falls in the branch of electrical engineering. It's like a discipline of itself, but then like even then it falls into a different category because computer engineering emphasizes on like maybe like very low, like lower level language, like what was it? I think there's like BASIC is one. You could also work with FPGAs like Verilog and VHDL, which are different programming languages. So it gets very interesting, but just to distinguish some differences, because my friend had a question, he doesn't know what to get into, so I thought I'd kind of share that out with you all, just in case you didn't know. If you do know, I'm pretty sure you all possibly even know more than me, but that's a general point of view. Stick with electrical engineering. I think it's best. So many people are getting into mechanical engineering for some reason, and computer engineering. After computer science, which is like cybersecurity, digital firewalls, and all this stuff. And then after that, I noticed that there's more folks getting into computer mechanical engineering, and then the rest of the civil engineering, electrical engineering. But let's go get something to eat because I'm starving. All right, everyone. So we just warmed up some two tamales. 1, 2. And I don't know what flavors they are, if they're chicken, pork, or cheese, but we are going to try them out. And for the meantime, I am boiling up water because I'm going to get some cup of noodles. I am starving right now, which is why I decided to just come home as opposed to, buy out. Because I don't want to wait right now. I'm starving. At the same time, I was considering like maybe I'll be going back to the dating market. So I'll be back on the market just because like I want to find a girlfriend that possibly knows how to cook, ideally, and she could probably teach me, because I'm not such a good guy or such a good cook. But I don't know. I just feel like if I have some sort of cooking partner, it would help me out, and hopefully encourage me one way or the other to cook. So I think I'll be going back on the dating market. All right, everyone. So my friend and his wife just got me some collar shirts, and I want to show you all, which they're pretty cool. So far my favorite one is this one, which comes in with a tie right here. They're all long sleeves, which I think is nice and great. It works for me because I typically dress business casual. So if you haven't noticed that, just a comment. So this is my favorite one, kind of like white dots. Okay, then we have this one, which is also a long sleeve. It's pretty nice. I like it. Blue with red. And like the red doesn't stand out like as much as the blue. I prefer blue over red, but that's just my opinion. And then we got this baby blue one, long sleeve. So far this one's the only one I unbutton or kind of disassembled, but anyways, this looks really good with some gray pants. So these are just some amazing gifts that I got since my birthday was just about a week ago. All right, everyone, so we're going for a late night walk. Just as you all may already know, and if you don't know, I enjoy going for late evening walks just because you get to just relax, finish the day being outside of nature. And as you can see, it's all cloudy. I forgot to mention this earlier, saying that I checked the oils and everything on my car. I drive a Honda, and you got to do this just to make sure that you don't mess up your car or engine, anything with like the brake fluid or antifreeze. You want to make sure that everything has its required liquids and maintenance. So I had to check that just because I haven't checked that in a while, and so I should have said that earlier. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, smash that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video, because if not, I'm gonna be mad, bro.